In today's fast-paced world, technology surrounds us at every turn. From the moment we wake up to the minute we fall asleep, we are constantly connected to our digital devices and could be missing out on exciting things going on around us. But amidst this digital chaos, have we stopped to consider the toll it's taking on our mental well-being? It's time we take a digital detox and get up and get out and re-engage with the world. But why is digital detox so important? Your mental health is greatly impacted by constant digital consumption and mindless scrolling. Comparison on social media can create feelings of inadequacy and anxiety. Taking a break from screens allows us to clear our minds, reduce stress, and focus on the present moment. The blue light emitted by screens tricks the brain into wanting to stay awake, which disrupts the natural sleep-wake cycle and can even impact your vision from the long exposure to your device. When you unplug before bedtime, you give the body a chance to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Finally, digital detox strengthens our relationships with others. Take time to fully engage with the people you care about instead of staring at the screen during meals or conversations. This allows you to live in the moment and create cherished memories. Visit healthwealthsafe.com for more tips and resources. Let today be the day you take back control of your life and rediscover your world beyond the screen.